When your turn signal is doing double time, either your front or rear turn signal light is out. On the HHR, I'm showing in this video how to replace the rear. Although I'm demonstrating how to replace the upper signal light bulb, the lower backup light is done the same, but the part number is 921. Okay, changing a tail light in the HHR is pretty much straightforward. The bulbs look similar to these. These are the front signal lights. The part number for the rear is 3156. I have a link in the description if you'd like to order for that. So basically all you do is take a screwdriver or something, pop the panel off. It's the same on the other side. The upper bulb, you can do it by just feeling. Do a quarter twist, or maybe not even a quarter, and then pull it back toward the front. And you can see the bulb here. Always good to wear gloves to avoid getting your oils on the light bulb as well as safety. Gently pull it out and then reverse the replacement. Feel with your finger the hole, then guide the bulb in. You'll feel it seat. Once it seats, you're going to turn it clockwise just a little bit to lock it in place. So I got it in. I'm going to turn clockwise. Just turns a little bit, and then put the cover plate back on, and that's it. You just change the rear bulb. As always, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.